Close the pen. No, cap the pen. Close the jacket. No, zip up the jacket. Close the umbrella. No, fold the umbrella. Close the envelope. No, seal the envelope. Close the seatbelt. No, fasten the seatbelt. Close the jar. No, tighten the lid. Close the phone. No, power off the phone. Close the laptop. No, shut down the laptop. Open the pen. No, uncap the pen. Close the gate. No, latch the gate. Close the window. No, slide the window shut. Close the shoes. No, tie the shoes. Close the tap. No, turn off the tap. Cut the paper. No, tear the paper. Open your shoes. No, untie your shoes. Cut the bread. No, slice the bread. Close the bag. No, zip the bag. Close the light. No, turn off the light. Close the curtain. No, draw the curtain. Close the blinds. No, pull down the blinds. Open the curtain. No, draw back the curtain.